Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shoini Chand and I hope you guys all are doing well. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. I make beauty content and today we are going to talk about my current favorite products. I know it has been very long that I did not do my current favorites because because of the house I was in chaos, okay? I could not try new products. So this time I could finally try few of the new products, new launches, and some of them that I will show is like oldie but a goodie. So it's like all in one kind of a current favorite video. And also guys, I would like to mention that I will be giving all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And also Amazon is having their Great Indian Festival sale going on right now and you have to get all the products from them because they are going to give you amazing offers on combos, on single products. There's makeup, beauty, there's fashion, there's so much things like इतना अच्छा ऑफर में मिलेगा आप सबको सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट नाउ बहुत ब्लैबर तो हो गया है लेट्स बिगिन विद द current favorites. Okay, I'm going to start with this shower gel. This one you can see by the quantity. I have been loving this because it lathers very well and it does not make my skin dry at all, and the fragrance of this is to die for. This is from the brand Procalmone and this one is the Sunny Brazilian Love Ocean. Now this one smells like little bit caramel and vanilla and it is very soothing and very sweet of course, but there are many variants available, so I would definitely try other variants as well. But if you love vanilla caramel fragrances, then you're gonna love it. Next is another body care product and you have seen me use this brand previously and this time I got another variant. Last time I think I've used Pina Colada. What happened to me? Last time I used Pina Colada and this time I went for Moroccan Rose and I'm actually eyeing for another one. I don't know I'm gonna buy it or not, but अगर obviously Amazon के Great Indian Sale में अगर अच्छे price में मिला तो definitely I'm gonna buy it. So this is the Moroccan Rose Shea Butter Sugar Scrub. Now I would definitely say Pina Colada one has that very chunky sugar scrub. Then this one has milder one. So if you are somebody जिनको एकदम chunky sugar scrub नहीं पसंद है, you can try this. It smells divine, okay? It's so good and it also matches my makeup today. And anyway, so this one smells divine. It definitely is very good as a sugar body scrub. I really like it, but I prefer the chunky one to be very honest. But as of now I'm loving this because I don't have the chunky one right now with me, so that is why I'm actually eyeing another variant at the moment. Actually wishlist कर दिया है. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it or not, but I would highly recommend you guys to try this one. Alright, now let's move on to makeup, and the first thing is a new launch by Maybelline. I know I was very late to try this one out and because of my shifting and everything, I could not get time to try this. Finally, I could and I am totally sold, you guys. I don't know why people hate it because people are doing paid promotion or maybe, I don't know. I love it. I did not do any paid promotion or anything. I bought it myself. And of course, I love Maybelline mascaras. I had high hopes from this as well. And I absolutely loved it. So yes, I love the Bubble Colossal Mascara. It's waterproof by the way. So you have to use a oil infused makeup remover or micellar water. Otherwise, with normal makeup remover, this won't go and आपके lashes झड़ने लगेंगे. So always use a oil infused makeup remover to remove waterproof mascara, especially from L'Oreal and Maybelline. Next up is this new launch from Mars Cosmetics. This is their Glow Fly Liquid Highlighters. I have all the 3 shades. I absolutely love the formula. Like you can use it on bare skin, you can mix it with your foundation, you can mix it with your moisturizer, you can apply it as a highlighter. Even on top of powder, it applies very nicely. And like I was like, ये काम नहीं करने वाला like on top of powder, but it did a very good job. And ये ना ऊपर से मेरा makeup नहीं उठाया. That's what I am loving about this. Now all the 3 shades I'm going to swatch. This is number 2. This is little darker. So this is number 2. As you can see, it's a little copper kind of a gold shade. The next one is a very rose kind of a shade. This is called winged rose. This is like more pink highlights in here. This is the shade. And the next one is my favorite, which is 03 Winged Champagne, is actually my absolute favorite. And this is the shade. I absolutely love the formula. I would highly recommend you guys to try this one out if you haven't yet, because the price is definitely bang on and obviously Amazon में आपको ये बहुत affordable price में मिल जाएगा. Moving on, I have this kajal from Parul Garg Beauty and I am so much in love with these. Like these two shades are going to be your favorite, to be very honest. So the first one is a normal brown shade and I'm going to swatch it right here so that you can see. It's so pigmented. This brown is so perfect. It's like a more chocolatey brown shade with like tin of warmth in it. I absolutely love this color. Like the pigmentation of these kajals are insane. Next up is this unique color. इसका नाम मैं screen में डाल दूंगी and this is the shade. It's so stunning. It's not brown. It's like a very deep purplish burgundy kind of a shade, which is absolutely stunning. I would highly recommend you guys to try this kajal because they are actually very good. Like look at that shade. Alright, let's move on to the last two products and both of them are lipstick, of course. So the first one has to be the one I'm wearing right now. It's the Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. I am obsessed with this lipstick, you guys. I have been wearing it with lip liner, without makeup, with makeup, non-stop. This is in the shade Carnation Nude. I absolutely love the shade. मैंने आज with lip liner apply किया है and this is the shade, how it looks like. And the other lipstick I would show is this one called Air Blur Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick from Makeup Revolution and the shade is Fawn. I am so impressed with the formula and let me just quickly show you. It's like a blurring lips shade and it looks very stunning on the lips. I mean, I can wear this with or without makeup and the formula is very creamy and very soft. It's like a airy kind of a moussey texture and it does transfers a little bit, of course, because it does not settle as like a full matte non-transfer lipstick. So those were my current obsession. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to check out my description box for the links and also guys, do let me know your favorite product at the moment and thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.